Did you know the microwave oven was invented by accident? In 1945, engineer Percy Spencer was testing a radar magnetron when he noticed a chocolate bar in his pocket melted. Curious, he tried popcorn. It popped instantly. That's when he realized microwave radiation could heat food super fast. By 1947, the first microwave oven was built. It was as big as a refrigerator. Today, it's in almost every kitchen, saving time, energy, and hungry people everywhere. From radar to ramen, one sweet accident changed the way we cook forever. Invented by accident, used by billions. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.